Hello everyone! It's just about summer, so we thought we'd go over a quick review of the items that you'll want to pack up before you leave school. Here's a quick list. First, you'll want to collect any remotes you have for anything. Remotes are usually easily lost and can be hard to replace, so you want to make sure that you gather them up. This here is the remote for an Epson projector. You'll also want to gather up any remotes you have for televisions and Apple TVs as well. Most Apple TV remotes look like this, but newer Apple TVs may have remotes that look like this. If you have one in your room, you'll want to gather up your HDMI cable. These frequently go missing, or can be damaged when your classroom is being cleaned over the summer. You'll know it's an HDMI cable if the end looks like this. Last, you'll want to pack up the dongle that you use to connect your HDMI cable to your MacBook. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so make sure you include it with the other items so that it doesn't go missing. There it is! We're all packed up and ready to go. See you next time, and have a great summer.